guys, so today we are going to be making a mug cake or a microwavable cake, and I will be using the Your Mocha Me Cocoa chocolate protein mix from True Women. They sent me a bunch of products for me to share with you guys, and I just wanted to try something different and show you another way that you can use the protein mix. It is very low in calories, high in protein. It does not have many of the common allergens, no dairy, no soy, no gluten, no nuts, low in sugar, only 1 gram of sugar per packet. And it has 5 grams of fiber, 15 grams of protein, and only 2 grams of fat. So it was really great. I will give you the full nutritional value of the whole completed cake at the end. But let's get started, and I'm going to show you what we did. Okay, so this is very simple to make, quick and easy, less than 5 minutes. It'll be a great little sweet treat, and like I said, and lots of protein and nutrition. So first you just need a small bowl, or a mug will work fine also, as long as it is microwave safe. And what we're going to do is add a packet of the True Women mocha chocolate mix first. Then, just to make it a little extra chocolatey, we're going to add a tablespoon of cocoa. Usually, I use the unsweetened cocoa, which is what is great for baking, and it actually has some added nutrients to it as well, has some iron. Then we're just going to add a teaspoon of baking powder to it as well. So that is basically it for your dry ingredients, just the packet of the mix, the cocoa, the baking powder. Give that a little quick mix with your whisk, or even a fork will work if you don't have a small whisk. And that'll make your batter nice and smooth to whisk up the dry ingredients first. And then this next ingredient, you can omit it, you don't need to add it in, but I just figured just to add a little extra sweetness, since this is sort of a little, a little fun treat. I added a tablespoon of chocolate chips. These happen to be vegan chocolate chips, because this is completely vegan, because the True Women protein mix is vegan. So I just add those into my dry ingredients. So our last ingredient is our liquid, which is our non-dairy milk. You can use any non-dairy milk of your choice. I believe I used cashew milk when I made it this time, but like I said, you can use anything. And you're basically just going to use 1/3 of a cup of that, and just add it to your dry ingredients and whisk that up. You can even, if you have a little spatula, you can maybe make it a little bit easier just to mix it up and make it, somewhat smooth. It doesn't have to look pretty. And that is pretty much it. So then you are going to just, depending on your microwave, I would start with microwaving it for a minute. We cooked ours at 1 minute and 20 seconds. But like I said, every microwave is different. So I would start at 1 minute and see how it is. And like I said, everything is completely vegan. So even if it is slightly raw in the middle, it still will be good. And it sort of makes it like a little bit of a lava cake as well, if you leave it slightly undercooked. And like I said, this is a great sweet little treat at the end of the night or during the day if you're just looking for something chocolatey. And like I said, it is full of protein and nutrition, and also, like I said, completely vegan. So our total for our nutrition for this dessert is 190 calories, 7.5 grams of fat, 3 grams of fiber, and 17 grams of protein. So really great nutritional values, as opposed to if you were to eat a real piece of cake, which I'm sure is probably in the hundreds for calories, and the fat is probably in the double digits, I'm sure. So when you're looking for a little sweet treat, this is a really great recipe. Like I said, it is basically under 5 minutes for prep time and for cooking. Probably even less than 3 minutes, as long as you have all your ingredients ready and on hand. So thank you once again to True Women for sending me these products so I could test them out and share them with you guys. I will link everything for them down below. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these recipes, recipe videos, just so that I know, and I will continue doing them. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.